So you have a part, a very accurate production part, and you need to reload it. You need to reload it and tighten the vise every time in exactly the same place, as close as you can. And this handle will be able to push around and have all kinds of differences in the way it can be tightened. It can be pushed down until it hits the floor if what you need is within range for that particular torque. But these have 60-degree handles, 60-degree angles on the hex between your will locate. So there's only one place every 60 degrees that you can get a solid hard stop with this type of handle. This type of handle has a 15-degree handle between the 30-degree 12-point hex, so it will go on at 15 degrees here and 0 degrees and 15 degrees over. That reduces this length to a very short, stable, roughly 2 and a little bit farther inches. So wherever you want to adjust it, it will fit universally. This is pre-adjusted. It is tightened to where you want torque. You make the screw length the right length to tighten. Set screw will hold it solid. 2 set screws. One still wiggles a little. 2 holds it solid. They're stainless steel set screws designed to just touch at a contact angle and not mar the hex, and that will provide you a repeating, relocating, retightening in the same pressure and position every time. Most of the time I even leave the set screws loose and just use it by hand. Such as that. Very accurate, high precision, exact stop vise handle. Thank you.